In this lesson, we will see how we can tune a model with Google AI Studio. Let us see. So under AI Studio, click Tune a Model. Here you can select the data for tuning. You can select an existing structured prompt or you can also create one. If you have a Google Sheet or a CSV file, you can easily use it. Okay, tuning a model in Google AI Studio involves fine-tuning the model to improve its performance on specific tasks. You can also prepare your dataset. The dataset should include input-output pairs. Import your dataset into Google AI Studio. Like you can select the data source from here or you can import. When you click import, it will directly take you to Google Sheet. You can add your model name with the description. Also choose the base model and under advanced settings set the parameters. Here you can set the epochs, that is the number of times the model processes each example in the training data once. With the multiplier and the batch size, learning rate multiplier is a factor to adjust the default learning rate for the model. The batch size, consider it as the number of examples processed at each iteration. Okay. Let's say we will select a data source, news headlines, and here you can see the sample. Here it is only showing one input and one output. Here is the input regarding BBC News. In this way you can work around and tune a model. Okay, so let's say I'll keep it as it is. I'll go below. Okay, I'll name it first tuned model and click tune. Here it is showing. It will take some minutes. You can end the tuning also. Let's wait. So you can see it completed. Okay, it should be first tuned model. I clicked on it to see the details. Here is the batch size and other details and the performance here. You can directly use your tune model. Add API access. I'll click use in chat. Okay, now you can see it automatically selected the first tune model and it was here. So your tuned models will be here. Okay, when you'll go for the model, I can click here. I'll just add a correct name, first tune model. You can add any name. Click save. Now it's fine. Okay. Okay, you can see use in chat. Now our model is based on what we created, that is the sample. So guys, we saw how we can tune a model in Google AI Studio. Thank you for watching the video.